And there is a color has come out. And you see his picture, so beautiful. So there are beautiful sceneries that nature provides to us every time. But there are times when nature does not give us beautiful sceneries. That is what he says. The storms are blotted out. The clouds are it is roaring. Sound is coming. If the wind goes in 120 kilometer speed, you can hear the sound. And then million lunatics, as if they have been let out of the house. What a chaotic condition with that. Like that condition has come, sweeping off from the path. And then he says, the sea has joined the fray. Sea was all along inside, on its own jurisdiction. But now sea also has joined with the land in this chaotic condition. And he says, the swirls of mountain waves, tsunami. Have you not seen tsunami? We worked as a Ramakrishna Mission Relief during tsunami times. And when I was a brahmachari, I worked in a tsunami-like. Waves came, 25 feet height waves came, where 60,000 people were wiped out in Andhra Pradesh alone, where Ramakrishna Mission did a huge, extensive relief work. So we were all part of that relief work. So tsunami-like waves, wrenching trees by the roots. The sea waves are moving. And to where they are going up, the waves are going up to reach the sky. The flash of lurid light reveals on every side 1,000 shades of death. Big, grim, and black, scattering plagues and sorrows, dancing mad with joy. Swamiji says, in this type of scattering death all around us, well, how many million people have passed away? It is something terrible. Yes, there are 156 million people got infected by this corona all over the world. Global statistics say. And 121 million people have got cure. But see the other side. More than 15 million people are dead as on today. And if you are in a particular spot where deaths are happening, like bunches are taken and the people are dying, in India it is happening now. The second most infected country now is India. And people are reporting to me on telephone, on WhatsApp, etc. They're telling me, Swamiji, all around we are stunned to see death. There is no space in the crematorium. We have seen people standing in line to purchase something, but we have never seen the dead bodies are kept on line to be taken to the cremation ghat and to be burnt. Such is the huge number of dead bodies lying there. And that's what Swamiji is now depicting to us. And he says, dancing mad with joy. Somebody is dancing in the whole madness. Somebody is dancing with joy. And Swamiji is looking at that person and is telling, come, mother, come, he says. You are none but the mother. The sorrows that you are getting is nothing but given from mother. You know, in those days, pox was a big problem. Smallpox was there, chicken pox was there. Because as a child also I have seen, wherever the smallpox comes, chicken pox comes, people used to say, never used to say, pronounce the disease name. They will only say, mother's grace has come on that boy. When I was in Kanpur as a brahmachari, I had smallpox. And what the others, the devotees were informed. What happened to the brahmachari is not seen nowadays like that. They would ask our Swami, and the head Swami would say, oh, mother's grace has come upon him. A suffering is called mother's grace. Mother has got two types of forms. One form is pleasurable, another form is painful. Are we promoting our mental faculty to that extent of accepting both from her? No. We are thinking, my mother means she's always pleasant to me. She's always nice to me. She always comes in a pleasant form. No. Sometimes she takes very cruel form also. And then he goes on far and he is telling mother, Mother, I am not going to call you Kali. I am not going to call you the venerable Durga. I am not going to call you the Mangalik Lakshmi. I am going to give you a name, Swamiji says. And he says, Mother, for terror is thy name, he says. He gives a new name. Terror is thy name. And your name is terror. And what you do? Death is in your breath. When you take breath, and that is the death. And when you take one step, for every shaking step, destroys a world forever. One whole world is destroyed at every step. Thou time, the all destroyer. And he puts the time in inverted commas. And he uses the capital T. It's written by Swamiji himself in that paper. You can see that capital T is using. Thou art time, the all destroyer. Then he says, come, mother, come. No problem. I will receive you. Then he says, who can call mother, come with me? This terrible figure of mother, who can call? Then he says, who dares misery love? If you can dare love the misery, can you dare love the misery? Who will do? One lady did. In the whole of Puranas, you will find only one person asked. Lord Krishna, that was Kunti Devi. She said, oh Lord Krishna, don't give me pleasure anytime. Give me suffering after suffering, so that I can remember you. Only one lady we find. Rest of us, we are all asking always goodness, mangala, pleasures, etc. So that lady, that terror, thy name, that mother is not for everyone. It is for him who dares misery, who loves misery, who dares to love misery. And he says, and hug the form of death. Oh death, come to me, I shall hug you. Dance in destruction's dance. To him the mother comes. That means what? This poem shows, if you can identify yourself with the goodness in this world and also with the suffering in the world, what happens to you? There is a tremendous transformation in the personality within you. And that tremendous transformation is you welcome whatever mother does to this world. Whatever she Plague also came in Calcutta when Swamiji was there. Millions of people died. There was famine all over the world at different times. Ireland has suffered famine. Huge famine has suffered. Millions died. If all the people had stayed without famine, Ireland's population today would have been to 15 or 20 millions. But today, are reduced to 5 millions. See that suffering has come in many places. We have to accept it. And that perception changes when you understand the sufferings that is also provided by mother only. It is her will, her wish. You cannot say anything. 100,000 soldiers by Genghis Khan. So you should ask Sri Ramakrishna. So many people are massacred. What your God was doing? Sri Ramakrishna said him. God only came in the form of death. Unless we have this holistic understanding of the creation, sustenance, and destruction, never will be able to come understanding of what is happening in this universe. Certain things will remain without comprehension. You will start blaming on God. Why God is suffering? You will say, Because you are not understanding Srishti Sthiti Vinashana Shakti Bhute. She is the Shakti Bhuta, a condensed form of Shakti. What is the Shakti? The Shakti is nothing but Srishti Sthiti Vinasha. So this holistic concept has to come. This is the only thing that can give us solace, I tell you. Nothing else can give solace to us. There is no other way that a man can get solace. You may, how many ways you tell me that, oh, I am very sorry for you, I also weep for you, etc. That is not going to bring back the people who's near to and dear to me who are passed away. So it is for me to come to the situation and understand it. So this poem, Kali the Mother, I think we should read every day during this pandemic time and try to understand that we have to come to terms with our sufferings. That is the only way that we can console ourselves. So this is what I wanted to tell you last time. Thank you for listening to me patiently. If any question or anything, comments or observations, I welcome. Another about 10 minutes. Anita, is it okay?
Yeah, Maharaj. It's okay. And it's so, today is not only the, it's yesterday and the past class was very different and today is very different. You touch so many things, and the Kali the Mother. In this situation, I think all the devotees who knew about this poem, they are thinking about it, that the Ma Chandi রূপ ধারণ করেছেন। তো সেই মায়ের উগ্র রূপের সাথে এখন আমাদের করা। তো কারোর যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে মহারাজকে, কারোর মনে যদি কিছু প্রশ্ন জেগে থাকে মহারাজকে জিজ্ঞেস করার মতন অবশ্যই করুন। If you have any question, any doubt, anything you want to know from Swamiji, please ask him. He is with us another 10 minutes, but before that I have to give you our humble pranam, Maharaj. It's such a auspicious moment to listen you in this grave situation. Yes, we should follow that thing that you tell us, that we should read that poem, the Kali the Mother. And anyone want to ask something? Please on the video and ask. সৌমিত্রদা কিছু জিজ্ঞেস করবেন? So মহারাজ আমি তাহলে কেউ যখন কিছু জিজ্ঞেস করছেন না, আমি না মহারাজ আমি একটা জিনিস বলি, তাহলে আপনাকেই জিজ্ঞেস করি যে এই যে ধ্বংসের মধ্যে দিয়ে যে আবার আমাদের নতুন করে বাঁচার যে একটা, এটাকে মেনে আপনি আমরা যেরকম বলতাম যে মায়ের আশীর্বাদেই, যেটা আপনি বললেন স্মল পক্স সম্বন্ধে, যেটা আমরা মুখে বলি না, আমরা বলি এটা মায়ের আশীর্বাদ এসছে, ইটস আ গ্রেস অফ মাদার। তাহলে এই জিনিসটাকে আমাদের এই মুহূর্তে দাঁড়িয়ে এই এত ভয়ঙ্কর ক্ষতির মধ্যে দিয়ে যখন আমরা যাচ্ছি, তখনও তার আমাদেরকে এইভাবেই নিতে হবে।
This we have to come to terms, বললাম না, সেটাই তাই। এটা না নিলে যে কোনো ভাবে আমি তোমাকে কনসোল করতে পারি, that is not going to console you. Each person stand individually and come to terms. Otherwise there is no. কিন্তু যেহেতু এটা holistically বললাম, সৃষ্টি স্থিতি বিনাশা, so even in this vinasha the srishti is going to start. You see, it's a continuous cycle. So in this vinasha also some good things will come.
Yeah, that's the only hope for all of us.
Yeah,
and thank you very much.
We will be there to see that, we do not know. Yes.
তাহলে আজকে আর যখন কেউ কোনো প্রশ্ন করছে না, তাহলে মহারাজকে আমাদের শতকোটি প্রণাম জানাই। ওম শান্তি শান্তি।
Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Thank you for giving this opportunity, and Durga Durga.
Durga Durga. Jai Sri Ramakrishna, Jai Mahamai ki Jai, Jai Swamiji Maharaj ki Jai. So thank you very much to all of you to attend this auspicious program with Swami Vivekananda ji. Thanks to all who are joining us from the overseas, and accept my humble pranam, humble namaskar, and hope we can understand what it's very tough. That Kalida Mother, the poem is very tough, and it's really the realization of that poem is another thing. But Maharaj told us a very nice way. Hope by the Mother grace we can understand that meaning, and we will meet again. Please stay safe. Please be with us, and thank you very much. Namaste. Jai Ram Krishna, Jai Ma, Jai Shamji Maharaj Ji ki Jai. Thank you very much. I want to leave now.